Now I would like to touch upon the various innovations that Hayal has pioneered and which have been adopted by the government. So the first is this passive solar heated homes which have been adopted by the Indian Army. It has been made a requirement by UT Ladakh for all the tourism buildings and have been adopted by several other private resorts. The second innovation we talk about is the Ice Stupa artificial glacier, which started from Sekmol, moved to Phyang, and from there it has spread to 23 villages in Ladakh, making more than 50 or more ice stupas, storing 400 and more million liters of water. This technology having been exported to countries like Chile, Switzerland, Nepal, Gilgit-Baltistan, and this entire plateau. The other innovation that the government has adopted is the agrivoltaics project, which was undertaken when we heard that the government is going to set up gigawatts of power in Chantang region. Now, as we know, solar panels take up a lot of land over which they are constructed. So gigawatts of power would mean thousands of acres of land, and which would displace the herders who are there in that part of Chantang in Ladakh. So on the other hand, these herders face the problem of survival of the Pashmina goat, because many of them die in the harsh winters because there is no grass available, it's covered with snow. So Hayal undertook this project with the help of IOCL, Indian Oil, to set up a 40 kilowatt agrivoltaic project to assess that various levels of transparencies of photovoltaics, the impact of that on the fodder that is growing underneath. And the project has been so successful that government has taken it up to scale it up in the Skyang-Chutang region of Ladakh. Similarly, the artificial glaciers have been adopted by Ladakh government, because since last year they have been tendering for the making of these Ice Stupa artificial glaciers. So these are some of the innovations which have been adopted by the government, because Hayal as a university believes that universities are not meant to give some unrelated certificates and students go out to take jobs. Universities are here to improve the lives of the communities around them and to help the government with policy decisions based on solid research that backs these policies. So this is what Hayal has been doing, and these were some of the technical innovations, some of the social innovations that Hayal has pioneered, and which has again been taken by the government. Here is the setting up of Himalayan farm stays to make tourism inclusive, because otherwise most of the tourists would come and stay in Leh, and all the rest of Ladakh would get is the pollution in terms of smoke or plastic bottles. But this Himalayan farm stay is an initiative where large Ladakhi homes can be converted into farm stays, and that promotes slow tourism, so that the people who come from outside get an authentic experience, and the mothers of the village get employment. It kickstarts rural economy and stops the migration of youth from the villages to the cities and to outside of Ladakh, because they see that their mothers are making more money than they are in their jobs.